Howdy ho guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighbor Tool Bear, back again here in the old den of tools. And today I got some hot, screaming hot news for you. We got a brand new line of professional grade power tools launching. They're coming out on Amazon first. These are pro grade tools. Now the company reached out to me and asked if they could do a sponsored video, and I said, well, you just keep your money because I will talk about these tools for free. I'm that excited about it. So let's jump into it, because let me tell you, there's going to be and hold on, you got to wait to the end, because there's a plot twist in here you're just not going to believe. So let's jump into it. Brand new grade of power tools here. Come to you, launched on Amazon from I don't know the exact pronunciation. We're going to go with DCK for right now. Just DCK power tools. They're big. They're red. They're exciting is all I can say about this. This is fantastic news. I'm excited about this. What we have here is the first of 3 tools being launched on Amazon. But don't worry, there's so much more to this. Oh, they're going to be huge. They're just, and the tools, the line of tools they have is just going to keep coming and coming. There's going to be more to it. You will be overwhelmed by the end of this. So brushless hammer drill here from DCK. This is 20 volt hammer drill. It's all metal chuck, variable speed. This torque settings 22 plus 1 plus 1. This is insane. 4 amp hour battery charger, cordless drill for concrete, metal, and wood. $160 seems kind of steep, but there is a $50 off when you apply the coupon. That means you can get this whole package. You can get all the DCK-ness here with the bag, because you know there's got to have the sack to put it in. It's coming in for $110. That's not too much to pay for some DCK. I don't know about like the price in like San Francisco and such, but you know, at least I know up in Montana that's a pretty good bargain here. Now let's see what else they've got. They've also got the one hand, so you can use it one hand. They got the one hand recip saw here, and I know you can't wait to get your hands on some DCK tools here. This is going to be one you're going to want to grab here. Reciprocating just back and forth there with the motion on this, you know, and this may think it's kind of small. You may think, hey, I wanted a two-handed DCK, but you know what? It's not the size of the tool, it's how you use it. And that's what I'm constantly telling my wife and other people. But anyway, $159, $160 on this one too. But again, remember, this is a professional grade tool. Now wait, trust me, there's so much more here. We've got a sander also. Now this one comes in at a was a reasonable $54. It's a corded tool here, yeah, it's gonna just grind and grind and grind. Will sand down. Anyway, coming in 20% off with you use the coupon there. So these are the 3 they're launching with that they wanted me to tell you about. But I was like, no, with DCK, I got to go deeper. I got to get to the bottom of this. Come around and, like, you know, come on the back end and find out whatever's going on there. And here we found the DCKtool.com website, and we found all the goodness here. They've got tons and tons of tools, just bags and bags full of DCK here. Look at all this. I'm going to tell you, companies, stop photoshopping your tools into other, like, pictures. That is ridiculous. Don't do that. But anyway, they've got all sorts of stuff. Let's see what they got. We've got 12 volt tools. Look at that. We got 12 volt DCK. That one looks vaguely familiar, if I do say so myself. They've got, and look at this, they've got 11 pages of DCK cordless tools. We got right angle. Look at that. We got shears. We got all sorts of stuff. Let's see what else we got. We got some fans. We got a chainsaw. We got a light. Oh, look at that, a brushless wire machine. That looks interesting. Let's see what else we've got. This is the new stuff they have coming out. They've got the cordless rotary hammer for when you really want to drill it down in there. Like I said, grinders if you want to grind on something there. And the circular saw when you're cutting to the chase, I guess. Oh, and don't forget, we got the impact drivers. Look at these. If you really need more power per hammer there, that looks like the way to go. Electric wrench there, they're calling these things. Let me tell you, there's a lot. The more, honestly, the more excited I get, it seems the bigger the tool line gets. I get more excited and it gets bigger and bigger. And look, we got gas-powered outdoor power equipment as well. I was like, this is an exciting company. There's got to be someone behind this. Who's the parent company? And here's where you come to an M. Night Shyamalan type twist. You're not going to believe this, because I looked up the name of the company. I'm like, you know what? They sound familiar. Yes, it's none other than Dong. Yes, Dong makes DCK. I kid you not, Dong Cheng is the company behind it. I don't know what to say. I mean, I don't. Maybe they come in blue. Maybe they don't get used as much as the DCK. I don't know. But the Dong here is definitely. They've got a huge tool line of Dong tools as well. They even have an invitation. Welcome to Dong Cheng. They're excited about showing you their Dong Cheng plant there. In fact, you can even get Dong and DCK in DCK Thailand. I'm stunned. I'm overwhelmed. I'm truly excited. Not the kind of ending I was expecting there, but it can't help myself. Oh, I'm a bad bear. I'm a bad bear. I'm so... I don't know. Was this the happy ending you were waiting for? I hope it was. I really do, because I gotta tell you, I was pleased as punch to be able to bring this to you. I've been excited for some time to talk about this. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. You gotta share this with your friends. And you know what? If you're a power tool company or hand tool company outside of the United States looking to push your way into the American market, please email me first. I would like to have a discussion with you about some things. Anyway, oh my gosh. And you know what? This is Thursday, 9/8. In case people are watching this at a later date, this is not an April Fool's joke. Anyway, I hope I gave you a chuckle for today. I hope you're excited about these professional grade tools. Hey, don't forget to check us out on Facebook. You can see the behind the scenes stuff over on Instagram and the old TikToks. We were down at the rodeo again last night. Oh, it was a good time. Don't forget to jump the like button while you're at it. You will take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.